everybody, I'm Sarah.
John.
And we are Recorder Players. John's back. We're going to play some duets. Who remembers my third ever team recorder video?
I do. Was it how to lick a recorder clean if it fell in a bucket of peanut butter?
I was playing duets with my mum.
Oh, cool. The opposite of that.
Because you have been asking me, what kind of duets can you play? Well, we're here with all of them. Duets, duets, duets. Are you ready, John?
Super ready.
Yeah.
Couldn't be more ready. I've been training my whole life for this moment. Play duets with you on a rainy Monday morning when our child didn't sleep all night.
We are starting with a digital edition, the Alto recorded duet book by Eyck House, music from the 13th to the 21st centuries.
Am I going to have to play alto the whole time?
Yeah. Okay. John doesn't actually know the alto fingerings. I thought we'd play on altos because it sounds a bit nicer than sopranos the whole time. But you can use soprano fingerings. This book has so much music.
So much. How about Omnis Casiophone, page 13, my favourite number.
Oh, by Sixtus Dietrich. Would you like to be superius or inferius?
I'll take inferius the first time around.
Let's take the altos first.
This one?
Yeah, can we just check they're the same pitch? Just play. No. Get the other one. Beautiful.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Not very jaunty. I was hoping for more jaunty duets.
Must it jaunt?
For me, like recorder and jaunting go hand in hand.
It all does feel a bit high, but that's normally this would sound.
What would this fingering be for me? That's an F, then
Everything close.
then that's a C.
Yeah.
For my brain.
Ooh, yeah, and that. So if you're moving from one side of the recorder to another, it's really good to pick a piece with stepwise motion, and you can just go up a note.
Okay, let's try one time.
All right, ready and furious?
Yeah.
1. Phrase was brilliant. Then what you need to do, if you're jumping, just have an anchor point. You know, okay, I know that fingering of the F, and later on I know that finger of the A, and you can work that from there.
Just get a confused
Let's pick a different piece. Let's find something jaunty.
I like that one you were just on better. Yeah, this one. This looks good. Sweet too.
The Michel Corrette
let's do that.
Suite. Do you want to try it in your new fingerings?
No, definitely not.
Oh. Okay. You're the top part. Okay. If you're the top part, then you lead. Beautiful. Really nice flow. Could we try a bit of inégal?
What does that mean?
It's basically like swing. It's a tiny like do 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 do.
So that's a little bit more jaunty. Yeah,
that was yeah. What happened to your last note? Why was it so wobbly?
I don't know. Why was your last note so not wobbly? It said avec le wobble in the text. I was following what this music said.
I don't teach my students like this. Like, what was that? Let's choose one more piece from this book.
Okay.
Popular pieces for the bugle. Jaunty. Tarantella. You do the top part. Ba 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 ba.
Let Sarah Jeffery show off her recorder chops duet. What was that?
It's my YouTube channel. You start your own YouTube channel and for 8.5 years talk about recorders every week.
Let's switch. Let me do the flashy part.
Fine. Cool.
Really cool.
Yeah, that's why I married you. Let's just go back to the beginning of the book. Alto recorded duet book by Eyck. There's also solo books, soprano, alto, tenor, bass. I love all the publications from Eyck, and they're also available on digital download.
Eyck has arranged a lot of duets for recorder.
He has.
Hasn't he?
I'm so sorry, Eyck. Do you want to go methods, composers you should know, or cool additions?
Composers you should know.
Okay, if you have another friend, person, musician, duet partner, okay, start that again. If you have a duet partner that you want to start playing with and you're thinking, where do I find music for 2 recorders? I'm going to tell you now the composers you should know. Wait, write this down. Telemann, Monteclair,
Whoa!
Dornel,
Not Dornel.
Quantz,
Quantz.
Jean-Baptiste Louis de Gaunt.
Oh my gosh, who doesn't know Jean-Baptiste Louis de Gaunt?
And when I say flutes, you know we think of Boismortier. I always try and champion some female composers in there. Not got any for this category, so if you have an idea for me, let me know. Boismortier, 6 pastorals for 2 flutes.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, let's nail those.
Yeah. Now, if you know John, you know that he loves a rondo.
Woo!
Rondo graciosement.
Oh my god.
Alright, you ready?
Oh yeah, perfect. Which, are we playing the same boring recorders?
We're gonna play 2 sopranos because apparently altos is boring.
There's no spice to it. Ooh, what's that? That looks cool.
Oh, it's a cool one.
Yeah, what is it?
This is a Van Eyck soprano by Vincent Bernolin.
Oh, let me try that one.
Okay. That's jaunty.
That was super jaunty. Let's play this a bit less jaunty. That's fine.
I was going to say, when you're sight reading something, don't be afraid to take your time. The tuning on that last note was really good.
Wow, this is a really cool recorder. I like it.
Yeah.
My favorite type of recorder duet.
Right.
Jaunty 6/8 with no hashtags or B flats.
Lovely. Love some Boismortier.
Well, Pierre Mortier knew how to write a jaunty duet.
Knew
This
how
dude
to
was
write.
about the business.
Can we have Quantz?
What is Quantz?
What is Quantz?
What if Quantz was one of us?
Quantz. Johann Quantz, who wrote On Playing the Flute, the 18th century tome on historical informed performance practice. Well, it wasn't historically informed then because, well, it was contemporary. Anyway.
Informed in any case.
Yeah, informed. So the Boismortier we just played was really nice, like intermediate level. I would say this is advanced.
Oof. Okay. Oh shit, yeah, this looks tough. Let's do this one. This one looks good.
It's definitely high. Maybe we had to play it on altos.
Yeah, I can't play that high on any recorders or whatever you want.
Are you? Oh, it's kind of there too. Quantz is great.
Let's try it one time with casiophone, then I can play it in one time.
Where is the casiophone?
Here somewhere.
Oh, now that's an
Now
instrument.
that's an instrument. Nope. I'm too used to playing recorder, I don't remember the fingerings.
If you regularly swap between instruments, find yourself forgetting the fingerings, it's fine, it's normal, happens to professional musicians.
Professional casiophone players.
Well, you literally are.
Yeah, it's true. What else you got?
So,
What are all those other categories?
Second category was methods, and I've got a couple of exciting things
Oh
here.
yeah, I love methods.
Got two methods with me, which are kind of based upon duets. The Recorder Music Medal series.
Oh.
What I like about this is that they mix up different levels. Imagine you're playing in a duet with two people of different levels on the recorder. I mean, obviously, I don't know what that's like.
Yeah, like one has played recorder for the King of the Netherlands and on a national TV commercial, and the other one runs a little YouTube channel.
Sadly, it's true. Only one of us has performed for the King of the Netherlands on recorder, and it's not me. So in the music medals, you've got ensemble pieces from 2 to 4 parts: copper, bronze, silver, gold, platinum.
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 Yeah, shoot for the stars.
Jive bunnies.
Oh, jive bunnies, that's for me.
That's for 2 sopranos. Perfect.
Woo. What did you call that light swing before? A word you said that meant sweetly swinging. Let's play this.
Jaunty?
No?
Oh, graciosement?
No?
Oh, inégal.
Yeah. Is this inégal? Jive bunny.
Yeah, let's have some inégal jive bunnies.
Okay.
2, 3, 4. Cool. There's loads more.
Where that went.
Oh, the 2 vagabonds.
Oh my gosh, the 2 vagabonds. Furioso.
Oh, Furioso. Okay. Dun 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 dun.
Okay, cool. Let's go. What was that? You started at a completely random moment.
I was moving.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Wow.
That was a lot.
I cannot believe I have had this in my music library for years.
That was good. Oh my gosh.
And we've never played that before. Wow. Nice. Oh, these are great. These are fun.
Yeah, these are pretty good.
However, I wouldn't... If you're looking for only duets, it's probably not worth getting these, because each one has a handful of duets, then it goes on to trios and quartets. These are amazing for teaching with, especially if you do group teaching. Yeah. The other method that I wanted to highlight is Johannes Bornmann.
Oh yeah,
the Altblockflöte. Johannes publishes so much for recorder, so much, and his Alto recorder method is all in duet. So I've really enjoyed this with some of my adult students who like to play together. It's all kind of early music, folk music, world music.
Well, that was like Sigeuner or something.
Sigeuner Tots. Okay. Oh, it's Haydn.
Oh, Haydn. I think we did this once. A long time ago.
We did?
Yeah.
Me and you?
Yeah, maybe. But doesn't matter. I'll do the bottom one.
Go on. Cool. Nice. Also, every time we play, I forget to say beforehand, but agree first if you're going to do the repeats or not.
Yeah, we never do that.
Full of tips. I'm full of useful tips today. Johannes Bornmann, 3 volumes of duets. I'll put the links below. So now we move on to the next category, which is cool editions.
Oh, cool editions.
Cool editions. Thank you to Basilisk Editions for sending me a pile of music. Very kind of you. And we have all of these suites for 2 recorders by composers that I had never heard of.
Oh, cool. Yeah, those are the best kind.
With a lot of early music composers, we see them now as having always been well known and always been the kind of like top of the early music charts. But we forget that in the past few decades, it's taken the work and dedication of researchers and musicians to find these manuscripts and put the editions together. So there are still a lot of undiscovered gems out there, or under-researched gems, don't you think?
Yeah.
Are you listening?
What? No, I was looking at our two fish on the camera monitor. Let's make them touch each other. That looks like one fish.
So we have Monsieur Voyen
Oh yeah, cool.
and Claire Nicolas Roger.
Oh, let's do that, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. So what?
It's just a little printout?
So this edition has the modern notation and the
Oh
facsimile.
my gosh.
Do you know what facsimile is?
Well, the not modern notation, I guess, judging by the previous sentence.
So I forget that you also have 2 music degrees. Do you know what this is?
Let's do this. Sonata 3.
Sonata 3. Can I just try playing your line? This is so cool. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, so that's
There's
just
some really like twisty turny. Look, can we go from here? If there's one thing I love, it's moving between major and minor. Do you have any tips for the viewers about playing with other people? Chamber music, duets?
make sure you, as much as possible, strive to play with people who are better than you. Like, don't be like, oh, they're so good and then I don't want to play with them. No, the only way you'll get better, or one of the best ways to get better, is to play with people who are much better than you. And
learn from
don't
each
be
other.
shy to ask for tips or tricks like I do every time I have to play a recorder thing.
I really honestly think that one of the most joyous, wonderful things in the universe is playing music, and even more joyous than that is playing music with other people. Final question, do you have to wear matching clothes to play duets
It
together?
enhances the experience.
It does.
Greatly.
It really does.
We're looking for the green one of this sweater. There's 3. There's brown and blue, and there's dark green, and
Wait.
I want that one too.
You're saying we're looking for this. Like, this is entirely your operation. I've just worn this for the video, even though I do love it. You do not need another wildlife themed jumper. You do not need it.
I want the whole set. All the fish sweaters.
We should be shouting out the actual Team Recorder jumpers.
Let's do that.
Not like
Oh.
random fish ones. There are 2 different Team Recorder jumpers that you can buy. One with a recorder on it, and one with the
Yeah.
this design that's behind John.
You should make another recorder sweater with a fish on it. It's like holding a little recorder with like little bubbles coming out of the end of the recorder. That would be cool.
Okay, we're just going to finish it here. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here. If you'd like to go after these fabled Team Recorder jumpers, they're down here on my web shop, and here's some more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
See you next time.
Bye.